Alright, so there is a new and open source AI model called Bagel, and this could replace ChatGPT because this model has similar capabilities to ChatGPT, except it is open source and you can, in theory, run it locally on your computer. So it is not only able to just answer your question, it is also able to reason or think before answering the question, and it can even see a picture, it can edit a picture, or even creating a picture just like in ChatGPT. Now, before I show you where you can use this tool on the web browser, let me show you a few examples that were created on Bagel AI. So this page contains some demo, like for example, this user asked the AI, tell me about this picture, and it tells the answer very quickly. And also it can create a picture using this prompt, and it generated this picture. And as you can see, the text is completely readable, which is always nice. And also you can use it to edit a picture. He asked it to scroll it down and touch a dog's head, and this is the result. I think that's quite creative. And also you can use it to transfer the style from one image to another, which is again another skill that ChatGPT can do. So if you want to use Bagel AI, at least if you want to just try this AI tool for free without having to download the model, you can navigate to this page, which I'm going to leave the link in the video description. So it is demo.bagel.ai, and then you can create a new conversation. So let's just do that, and you can start asking a question or even upload a picture to this AI model. Now, if you want to get some text, you can enable language output. So you have to switch between creating a picture or getting a text-based answer. But for this example, I'll try to just get some basic text answer. I'll ask it, what is the largest country in Asia? Let's ask this question. And you can enable the thinking mode if you want to, and you can adjust some parameters, but I'm not going to do that. I guess I'm gonna just using the default setting, and I will disable thinking mode just to get the quick answer. Let's send the message, and you'll see that it will process my question and will give me the answer very quickly. So the largest country in Asia is Russia, which is not located in Asia, but rather spans both Europe and Asia. Okay, that's actually a valid point. And of course, you can also use it to edit a picture. I actually have done one example here where I asked this AI to change the cup into a flower, and this is the result. It's actually done quite a great editing. It's pretty clean, and I would say the quality is comparable to Gemini with Imagen 4, because you can see that the person is the same, everything is the same, except the object that I specified to modify has been replaced. So actually this is much better than ChatGPT, because in ChatGPT it will recreate the entire picture, and there's a good chance that the person is not going to be the same anymore. You can tell from the facial details that the recreation on ChatGPT will be a completely different person. But this one is very good. It is able to just isolate the cup and edit that cup only. So that is very similar to Gemini with Imagen 4 model. So go ahead, go to demo.bagel.ai. I'm going to leave the link in the video description, and you can start trying using this app. Maybe you want to edit picture or get some answer using this open source model. That could be the future that will compete with ChatGPT. So if you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more AI tutorials like this one, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.